Hey, what's up, people? Today I want us to look at Mantle Network Testnet. I was told that this one would be very big as well. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to position yourself in the Mantle ecosystem. Let's go. If you're here to follow me on Medium, please go ahead and do that right away. Follow ASAP and also subscribe with your email address so that whenever I post on Medium, you're going to get the notification. Okay, getting positioned in the Mantle ecosystem. Introducing Mantle to you. So what is Mantle? Mantle is a high-performance Ethereum Layer 2 network built with modular architecture, delivering low fees and high security. Mantle is a technology stack for scaling Ethereum and is EVM compatible while doing so. So Mantle is a Layer 2 network built with a modular architecture. Mantle is developed in partnership with BitDAO, Bitget, and other organizations to meet the needs of the growing Bit ecosystem. If you've been in this space for a while, you should be familiar with BitDAO and Bitget. Bitget is one of the biggest centralized exchanges in the crypto industry today. Mantle Network is partnering with these guys. That, in my opinion, is massive. And you may want to ask, what makes Mantle different from other Layer 2 networks? Number one is modular data availability. Through the use of EigenLayer, Mantle is able to increase transaction throughput beyond traditional Layer 2s. Faster transaction confirmation with very low fees compared to other Layer 2. The number two difference is multi-party computation, which is MPC. Mantle uses MPC to minimize the trust risk of Layer 2 execution results. Number three is decentralized sequencer. Mantle with decentralized is sequencer to offer secure and trustless block production. By rotating through a permissionless sequential set, Mantle will reduce the potential for a single put of failure or censorship on the network. These are the selling points. So for us to participate in this testnet, you need to add the Mantle testnet network to your MetaMask. Now you can do that from Chainlist. Just as you can see on the screen, you go to Chainlist and search for Mantle testnet and connect your MetaMask wallet and go ahead to add it automatically into your MetaMask. The link to Chainlist is already in this Medium article. The next thing you want to do after adding the network is to acquire some BIT tokens and Goerli ETH tokens. Now for Goerli ETH, you can always get it from faucet.paradigm.xyz, and this is what the page looks like. Just enter your wallet address and request for some tokens, or you can decide to get it from goerlifaucet.com. This is what it looks like. I will advise you register with them so that whenever you come in, you can easily get 0.2 Goerli ETH per day. So after the registration, enter your wallet address and make sure you are not a robot and confirm the transaction to receive some Goerli Ether. Now, if you decide not to use any of these, there is another better option, which personally I prefer using these days, and it is known as Goerli Proof of Work Faucet. Here you're going to be mining some Goerli ETH all by yourself. It is pretty simple. Just enter your Ethereum wallet address or ENS name, confirm you're not a robot, and hit start mining. You will see that you're mining Goerli ETH automatically. By the time you're satisfied with the amount you have gotten, you will also see the stop mining button, which is going to appear as red over here. Just click on it, confirm you're not a robot, and claim your Goerli Ether. Okay, this is one easy way you can always get some Goerli ETH. I'll leave all the links in the description. And for the BIT test token, you can always get it from faucet.testnet.mantle.xyz. So this is exactly what the page also looks like. I'll take you right there. You will see that I've gotten about 1,000 BIT tokens already in my wallet. So how do you get this token? Step one is for you to make a tweet. Just click on this and you will have an automatic prompting to tweet about Mantle. After tweeting, you come back to this very page and verify your Twitter handle. Then connect your wallet address, and your wallet address is going to appear here automatically. After which you can go ahead to mint a token. You can mint from 1 to 1,000 BIT test tokens and hit the mint token button, confirm in your MetaMask, and you'll be good to go. After a while, you will receive 1,000 bit tokens. Now, there is another way you can do this, which is by joining their Discord server. Once you're in the Mantle Network Discord server, just scroll down to faucet, type in the $sign, also type in faucet, then space it and enter your wallet address, after which you can click send. You are going to receive about 1000 bit token. You take a look at what other people are doing and do just the same. It's important you join the Discord server. I'll leave all the links in the description, like I already said. Okay, once we are done setting all this, the next thing for us to do is to start using the Mantle testnet bridge. Okay, so I'll take you right there and show you exactly what you need to do. This is a Mantle web page. Now, before we go ahead to test the application, I want to show you their roadmap so that you understand where we are right now. So this is the roadmap, and in June 2022, they prepared the original proposal for a BitDAO chain. And also in August 2022, the proposal to create a BitDAO chain as a modular layer 2 was also successful. And in November 2022, they unveiled the Mantle project. And right now, this is exactly where we are, the first quarter of 2023, which is the launch of the Mantle testnet. And this is what we're doing right now. Immediately the testnet is done, the next phase is the Mantle mainnet launch. Guys, this is closed already from the look of things. So as soon as you see this video, get involved, participate, and position yourself in the Mantle ecosystem. Once the mainnet goes live, the next thing that will happen is network upgrades and ecosystem building. So they are going to keep building and growing this ecosystem. Okay, right now let's go ahead and participate in the testnet. So connect your wallet, MetaMask of course, accept their terms, next, and connect. If you didn't add the Mantle network from Chainlist, you can also add it automatically by the time you connect to their website. It is the same credentials used to add from Chainlist. Okay, so I'll approve this. It says switch over, so I'll do just that. And now we are connected, so we head straight to bridge to Mantle. Once more, we connect again, next, and connect. Also go ahead to agree to their terms. Okay, so now we are good. And for us to start bridging, of course, we need to switch back into Goerli, because we have to bridge from Goerli into the Mantle testnet network. Remember, Goerli is layer 1 and Mantle is a layer 2. So click on switch to Goerli, switch network. I have a little ether here, so I'm going to bridge some into the Mantle testnet network. I'll go for 0.02. Next, click on deposit and deposit again. Sorry guys, I've not been able to make a video concerning this application. I talked about it in one of my videos. This application helps you to see exactly the transaction you want to execute, what is going to happen by the time you approve or confirm that transaction. And from the look of things, what is going to happen right now is that 0.02 Ether is going to move from my Goerli Ether into the Mantle testnet network, and the fees is 0.008. This application will help protect you from scammers and also hackers. So I'm going to try to make a video on why and how you can use this application. And there is also a rumor that users of this application may be getting an airdrop later in the future from the team behind this application. So we go ahead right now and confirm or approve this transaction. Deposit en route to Mantle, so wait a little for this to go through successfully. And deposit is successful. You can add the Mantle testnet network to your wallet if you have not also done it up to this time. All right, I'll close this. And the next thing we have to do is to bridge some BIT tokens into the Mantle network as well. So click here. Now you will see the BitDAO token. I have 1000, which you already know. So click on this and enter an amount. I will go for 700, then approve it. Here we go again, another benefit of using the same application, but because I personally trust Mantle, I'm going to give permission whether the address is verified or not. So, but for you, if you're not cool with it, you can forget about interacting with the Mantle testnet network. I'll just go ahead and confirm it, then hit deposit. Deposit again. 700 bit is moving out of my Goerli ETH, and the transaction fee is around 24 USD, which is 0.010 0.14 ether. I'll confirm this. Deposit process has started again. Also be patient for it to go through. Deposit also successful. You can go ahead to add the Mantle network and the BIT token if you want to do that. I'll close this. And the next thing we're going to do is to move funds from Mantle testnet network into Goerli. How do we do that? We click on withdraw, and now we have to switch network to Mantle. Click on this, switch network. So we start with bridging some ether 0.01, then click withdraw. Before you can withdraw, you need to tick these boxes. Let them know that you understand what is involved. Go ahead and tick them both. Okay, now we can start withdraw process. Confirm it. Withdraw request submitted, and you'll be able to withdraw your funds in 5 minutes once the challenge period ends. We got that. Next, we have to withdraw some BIT token back into the Goerli network. So click here once again and select BIT DAO. Now I'll go for 100 and withdraw. Tick the boxes again and start withdraw process. Confirm the transaction and withdraw request submitted once again. So we can close this, and at the top here you will see withdraw ready to claim, and you can view your account. This is the status of our withdrawal. It's still pending for both tokens. Let's take a look at our deposits. You see that our deposit status have been completed successfully. Okay, so for the withdrawals we have to wait for it to be completed. Okay, this is how to bridge in the Mantle application. I want us to go back to the Mantle main page. Let's check out the ecosystem. Mantle testnet applications. They say, welcome to Mantle. Here is a list of applications to try out on Mantle testnet. And they have a disclaimer letting you know that they have not endorsed or approved any of these applications in Mantle ecosystem. Okay, you have to be careful while interacting with these applications. They are on testnet, and I can see a lot of good projects in the Mantle ecosystem. So maybe in another video, I'll show you how to interact with some of these testnet applications in the Mantle ecosystem. Okay guys, this is what I wanted to show you today and help you position yourself in the Mantle ecosystem. And whenever they will be rewarding early users or adopters, hopefully will be included and get a share of the rewards. All right, I trust you learned something and you liked the video. Please go ahead and smash the like button and share this video everywhere. If you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section. And also remember to leave beautiful comments as always. I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget, we are going to make it. Bye.